Snack ideas for people with diabetes.
Can't let 'em bring you down. Still, silence will drown the sound. Nobody knows where the wind will blow. How can they tell what the future holds? Get out of your head. Don't say it won't yet. Push the pedal and lay back. Take a breath and stay on track. Find what you've been searching for. Turn keys into every door.
Snacking when you have diabetes doesn't have to be difficult. There are many quick and easy snacks you can prepare and eat even when you're on the go.
Thanks for that kind introduction. I am Judd Resnick, creator of Diabetes Smarts. Within this guide, there is a world of information to help put you on a path to balance erratic blood, gain more energy, and maximize overall health. Diabetes is one of the biggest killers the world over, and unfortunately the rates of diabetes are on the rise. But we don't have to accept this diagnosis as our fate. I spent over 2 years traveling around the world, speaking with leading experts in the fields of medicine, education, physical fitness, nutrition, biotechnology, and from that, I learned unique insights from type 1, type 2, and pre-diabetics. This included strategies used by former diabetics to successfully reduce, manage, and in some cases, lower blood sugar levels to below the diabetic threshold. In other words, there are real, lasting solutions to live a healthier, happier, and longer life, even if you've been living with the painful and deadly symptoms of diabetes for years. There is no quick fix, but there are concrete steps you can and should take to free yourself from ever-increasing poor health. Diabetes Smarts is the comprehensive diabetes guide, which aims to help you balance your blood sugar so you can live symptom-free. This guide reveals 7 overall steps you can take to balance your blood sugar levels day by day and for the rest of your life. Plus, you'll also receive the complete 8-episode series, That Diabetes Documentary. And also included with this Diabetes Smarts package is That Diabetes Cookbook, the That Diabetes Documentary Companion Guide, the Diabetics Guide to Healthy and Delicious Food, further supplementary small bites videos with great tips for diabetics, and much, much more. So just follow the link below to join me on my quest, and together we'll find meaningful and proven methods for success when it comes to our collective health. It can be done. We can all live a life beyond diabetes.